Thinking of going chemical free with your beauty routine but don't know where to start? Well, look no further. Here is a list of natural skincare products that can be easily made at home and are suitable for all skin types. To remove excess oil, residue and dirt, all you need is a dollop of honey mixed with a few drops of milk as your very own simple cleanser. Apply it on your face in circular motions and then wash it off with warm water. Honey will keep your skin nourished while also getting rid of any impurities. Known for its ability to kill acne-causing bacteria, apple cider vinegar not only reduces acne but also helps with blemishes and scars. Start by making your own distilled purified water. Heat water in a vessel and add in a couple of tulsi leaves. Place a small bowl on top of the infused mixture and cover it with a few ice cubes on it. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you'll find that the distilled water has collected in the small bowl. To make the toner, take 50 ml of apple cider vinegar and mix it with 150 ml of distilled purified water. Apple cider vinegar smoothens the texture of your skin while also balancing the pH level. Use daily for clear, blemish-free skin. For dry skin, mix 1 teaspoon shea butter with 3 drops of vitamin E oil. Shea butter is naturally moisturizing and helps boost collagen. Apply it evenly all over your face by gently massaging it in. Follow it twice a day for baby soft skin. For oily skin, mix 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel with some rose water. Apply it twice a day after using a toner and massage your face with it for 5 minutes to improve blood circulation as well. Aloe vera will hydrate your oily skin, while rose water will soothe it and prevent any excess oil production. Mix 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil with 5 drops of rose essential oil and 5 drops of lavender essential oil. The sweet almond oil is incredibly rich in vitamin E, which nourishes and prevents premature aging, and the rose oil hydrates dry skin while the lavender soothes irritated skin. Apply 2 to 3 drops directly on the skin and lightly blend them in to help absorption. Take a quarter cup of boiled water and mix in 1 teaspoon of baby shampoo and 1 tablespoon olive oil. The olive oil helps dissolve your makeup while nourishing dry skin, and the baby shampoo helps wipe the makeup away and will prevent the skin from becoming too oily. When removing makeup, spray the mixture on a cotton pad and let it sit on your eyes to melt away stubborn makeup before wiping it off and following it up with a rinse. You can also pour this mixture into a jar and allow it to soak into pieces of microfiber towels for your own reusable makeup wipes. Make sure to include each step in your daily routine for a healthy, glowing and hydrated skin. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.